going on? No, I gotta give you my list of stuff that I don't like. What's going on? She left it on. Okay. Hey, so yeah, we gotta do something about the dude guy called him to eat lunch. Stop trying to change the subject, man. We gotta do something. There's a bunch of stuff going on. I'm not liking it. I don't like lipstick on my face. I don't like lip. Hey guys, lazy ass. And God, jeez, man, at Christmas. Hey, just, you know what I mean? Give her the list and stuff like that. They keep messing with my DVR. That sassy ass. She keeps messing with my DVR, my TV watching programming schedule. I don't eat seafood. They're both in there having lunch. That guy, he said go in there and eat, so she left the damn she left it on, you guys, so here I am. Yeah. Anyway, can I show him some stuff like this over here? Sweet. Okay, check this out, guys. So she goes shopping at some place, it's in like LA or something. It's the Milani Cosmetics. And she got these really badass eyeshadow palettes. They're like totally badass. Sorry, we totally forgot to plug in the microphone. Anyway, she goes to some place like I guess down south in the LA or something like that, and it's Milani Cosmetics. Sorry, I said it wrong. My apologies. It's not that big of a deal, right? And Smart Cookie said I can show you guys this. This is the Milani Gilded Jewel. This is like totally badass. You know that stupid ass Sassy's gonna try to put this on our eyes. It's not gonna happen. No. Just what? Yeah, I'll just go to sleep with dipshit over here. So this is this one. Okay, I'm sorry. Jeez. Just didn't want her to know that I was getting into it. This is the Gilded Jewel from Milani, you guys. I'm like all fingers. Whatever. That's that palette right there. And then she got the Gilded Coast. You guys can barely see it anyway. And it got different colors. This one has all kinds of like glitter stuff, you know, like the shimmers. This one's got all kinds of shimmers in it. You know, dude, I hope I don't get in trouble because all kinds of makeup just like fell out. Might have been the other one. There's just a little bit of makeup that spilled out of it. Yeah. So there's that. And then she got this. It's called Like a Moss. It's an eyeliner, eyeshadow. This shadow stick. Excuse me. I only ate the rice pilaf, and I had a sourdough bun, and I ate the vegetables, the zucchini. It's green and yellow zucchini squash. You know the squash that just. they're out there having salmon. Anyway, look, it's like this. If I open it up, she'll get pissed off. So I'm not going to do that, okay? Anyway. Those are the 2 palettes that she got from Milani. And then she got these. Oh, she keeps buying this shit like this for it. This is stupid. One's a warm beige and the other one's a light beige. And they're like Conceal and Perfect. This one is the 230 light beige. It's a foundation stick. See, those are, you know what I mean? You guys probably use them. I don't know. I don't really care. Yeah. I know, right? You know, seriously. Hey, man, have you been watching Ozark? Yeah, totally right now. I'm just like, Marty and Wendy, they're like bad at. If some of you guys are watching it, I just, okay, zip it. I won't do any spoilers. And then this one's the 245 warm beige. But dude, okay, so check this out real quick. So these are the 2. They're like different shades. They're just like a little bit different. They're foundation sticks. So seriously, you guys, if you guys are watching the Ozark, you know the one with Jason Bateman? Okay, so who's your favorite character? Like, I'm total team Marty. And then there's people, you're like team Wendy, right? I know. And then this one over here, it's dipshit. Insomnia. She loves Ruth. She's totally team Ruth. You're like team Ruth, aren't you? You can't even hear me. You don't wake up once in a while. The sun is out. Anyway, I'm not total team Marty. Just saying. Okay, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Nothing else. I think this, she's gonna put this in the Mass Monday, or just by itself. Who knows? I don't know. She'll figure it out when she gets into editing. Okay, that's all I got for you guys. Take care of yourselves. And you got any questions for me? Pop them down below. Peace. Peace out. Bye. Shut the phone off. Where the hell who took the clicker? I'm the queen of the freaking clicker. Dude.